I'm going to have to put some jaunty music over this because otherwise it's going to be chicken feeders. Is the only
Chicken feeders and you and me talking gibberish.
I shall find some jaunty music to play over it so that we can say whatever we want now. So what I thought I'd do is cut a piece that goes just over there and then go
You're going to put that on your video?
yeah. And then I'll probably patch the front and do a patch. No, then I'll patch the back and do a patch over all of that, like that, and then patch the front and do a patch that goes through both of that, so that it's held all around and internally.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Excellent.
I thought it'd be cross with me if I put it on the machine.
It's not my machine. Right, what am I going to do now? Can I cut it? Okay, I can. So my idea was to do, because it doesn't do zigzag, is to be like a giant zigzag that goes across the hole. Does that make sense to you?
Mm-hmm. And turn over. What you want with this, because it's not very interesting otherwise. Well, actually, I quite like it from this angle because you can see the back of this machine doing interesting
well,
things.
if that pleases you.
You can see it going chunka chunka chunka.
It is a very satisfying machine to sew with, I must admit. And the walking foot, I mean, you know I don't like doing car upholstery, but the walking foot does make it much easier. Just make sure I'm not going to sew through any tent,
Anything vital.
anything guy ropey or things. You giggling at?
Just this, just us, just all of it, really.
My heavy duty sewing.
Just.
So much for a nice triumphant finish, but it is very well securely sewn. Well, that was really exciting, wasn't it? Is it worth a close-up? Not really, but you're going to get one. And now the worst bit of tent. Anything to do with camping, getting the tent back in the bag. We'll just leave that doing that while you instruct me on what to do.
Get it spread out flat.
Aim your bottom right of the camper there, nice.
Sorry. Cut that,
No, it's there forever now.
if you want me to avoid your double chin, you need to edit my bottom now. Shot when it appears. You've already humiliated me once with that one. You can't keep doing it, or else there'll be a double chin shot at some point. Unavoidable bottom shot.
It's fine, you're aiming it away.
Fine.